And when I think about Orlando, I think of one and only. Is she drinking wine right in the middle of this? I love little 7 bites. All right, Trin, you're gonna wrap out this whole entire circus. Hunter, go get the box.
I sent all kinds of treats in the top of that box.
Tell us what's happening in the great world of 7.
A lot of things are really happening right now. We're expanding our menu, and what you're about to make is one of the things that we're adding. Fair favorite funnel cake meets apple pie all Americana, and I made some homemade cinnamon ice cream to go on top of it.
We're going to pop. I just want you to know that. All right, how do we start this?
You gotta whip up that funnel cake batter.
Flour, funnel cake, vanilla milk. The 2 of those together, and the eggs?
Yes, and then there should also be some cardamom, salt, and baking powder.
I see the vanilla seeds that just went in there.
And you're gonna whisk that all together. Take out your tortillas, and you're gonna lay those flat. You're gonna use that around the whole outer edge. That's gonna be kind of your glue that's gonna hold your little funnel cake burrito together.
Got it.
And then I made you some of our standard apple pie filling, and you're gonna put about 2 spoonfuls in the center of that.
Wow, that is caramel-y. What is in this?
Granny Smith apples, cinnamon. It's got some of our finished caramel in it, and then you're gonna wrap it up like a tight little package. Roll it around in that funnel cake batter.
Okay.
And then you're gonna drop it right into your 370-degree hot oil.
We'll see if it holds together. Good job. Hey, Hunter.
Yes, that's perfect. And then you're gonna get that cinnamon ice cream and your Chipotle caramel sauce ready to top that bad boy.
Wait. Who made the ice cream?
I did.
Where are you going? Get on the camera, Ryder. You're not part of the tasting team right now.
How's that ice cream?
I wouldn't know because I'm not eating it.
Ryder said he wouldn't know because he's not eating it. The pie filling is to the next level because the apple still has so much great texture in it. There's still a little bit of crunch, and it's not overly sweet. It's just that fantastic balance of the cinnamon and the vanilla and the sugar. Ryder, you gonna come over? The caramel, the filling, the fry, but in particular the ice cream, dynamite job.